Hey guys, Tiana here to show our progress on the WeTutor app. So our group decided to create its own Gmail account as well as account on MIT App Inventor so that we could collaborate on the same account. We noticed that when we were trying to each do it on our own accounts, there was no way of us to combine it. So we decided to create this account where we can each take turns working on it because only one person can be on at a time. But that is how we're going to work on it. And then for us to divide the work up, we each took one of the big use cases. So mine is sign up, and I was in charge of the first login page, the sign up page, as well as the filter page. So this screen here that I'm showing you is the very first screen that you will see when you download the app. This allows you to log in as well as sign up for the WeTutor app, and if you forget your password at any point, you can also have that button to click. The second screen I'm going to show you is the sign up page. The sign up page allows the user to enter their first name, last name, email, and password to create an account. The other page that I was in charge of was the home screen page. On this page is where the user will be able to navigate through all of the features in the app. They can search here for a subject area they need tutoring in, as well as use the filter button to filter by various ranges, which I will show you in a second. And then here they will be able to see a map that will allow them to see the tutors available around them. As you can see, I also had to create the 3 buttons on the bottom that will link to the search, the chat, and the profile. So another page that I was in charge of is the filter page. On this page, the user will be able to enter a location, how far they want, the distance that they want to find a tutor. So it goes from 0 to 50, as well as the price range from free to 100. And then they'll be able to hit the search button or reset button and hopefully find a tutor. So one of the challenging things that I had when creating these screens is finding spaces between each of the components. So I actually had to enter labels to fill as a space. So all of these, like space 7, space 5, they're all spaces that will help to keep the layout of the screen nice and clean. And so that's what I worked on this week, was really focusing on the design of the design and layout of the actual pages that I'm in charge of. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the Android device. So here are the pages on the Android device. Here's our very first screen, which is the login screen. And then it will lead you to the sign up page, which looks like this, and where the user can enter their information. And then once you hit next, it will take you to a screen that Elle will be working on. And then also the other page that I was in charge of was the home screen, in which you can navigate throughout our app, as well as the filter screen. So this is another challenging thing I've been having with my Android device. When I'm editing and using the Android device at the same time, it's having a hard time to do it coincidentally. So I have to keep resetting the connection. So that's been a little bit challenging. However, for the next week, I'm going to really focus on linking all of the pages together and creating the blocks for our app once everyone has their pages set. Thank you.